Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up a Land Rover Defender. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Engage the parking brake fully and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any accidental movement. Always use sturdy jack stands to support the vehicle once it's lifted. Never rely solely on the jack. Safety is paramount for any under-vehicle work. Next, it's crucial to identify the correct jacking points. For general lifting, locate the strong points on the chassis frame, typically near the axles. If you're just changing a tire, you might use a specific point on the axle or suspension arm, as detailed in your owner's manual. Using the wrong point can damage your vehicle or cause instability, so always double-check before lifting. Once you've identified the correct jacking point, position your jack directly underneath it. Ensure the jack head is centered and making full contact. Slowly begin to raise the vehicle, watching carefully to ensure it lifts evenly and stably. Raise it just enough to perform your task, then immediately place your robust jack stands under the chassis at designated support points. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. When you're ready to lower the vehicle, first remove any tools or equipment from underneath. Carefully lift the vehicle slightly with the jack to relieve pressure on the jack stands, then remove the stands. Slowly and steadily lower the Land Rover Defender back to the ground, ensuring a controlled descent. Once down, remove the jack and wheel chocks. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.